So, Namaskar Sathiyo. Today we will be doing complete revision of mensuration. So, my name is Ashish Kumar and I am going to start this lecture. You can connect me on social sites. My Instagram handle and Twitter handle are given over here. Read the lecture, point out the mistakes, and do share if you find it useful. So, we will be discussing about 2D shapes first and thereafter 3D ones. 2D shapes are what which lies on XY plane and not more than that. 2D shapes are square, rectangle, circles, triangles, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium. They all lies on XY plane. They don't have Z axis. So square, formula of square, area of square comes first. Area is A square and perimeter is 4A units. Rectangle, length into breadth. Perimeter 2 into length plus breadth. Circle, area is pi r square. Perimeter is 2 pi r. In a scalene triangle, Heron's formula states that under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c gives the area of triangle, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. So what is the perimeter of the scalene triangle? A plus b plus c. Isosceles triangle. Half into base into height. What is the perimeter? 2a plus b. As we know, perimeter is the sum of length of the sides. So a plus b. Equilateral triangle. Under root of 3 by 4 into a square. Perimeter 3a. Right angle triangle. Half into base into height. And perimeter is base into hypotenuse into height. Plus height. Rhombus. Area of rhombus. It is very important. Half into d1 into d2. And perimeter is 4 into sides. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is base into height and perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Trapezium. Trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides. A plus B means sum of parallel sides into height. What is its perimeter? A plus B plus C plus D. Now, coming on to formulas of 3D shapes. For 3D shapes, we have cube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, cylinder, and cone. They lie upon x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So, volume of the cube is a cube. Curved surface area means area which includes all the curves, not the base and the roof. So, curved surface area is 4a square and total surface area which include the area of base and the roof too is 6a square. Cuboid. Cuboid is length into breadth into height and curved surface area is 2 into L plus B into H. Total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume. Curved surface area or lateral surface area for sphere is 4 pi r square and same it is for total surface area to 4 pi r square. Hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Curved surface area 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square. Cylinder volume is pi r square h. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h and total surface area is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r, or we can simply say 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. CSA pi r l and total surface area is pi r into r plus l. So thank you. Like, share and subscribe if you find it useful. All the best for your exam and press the bell icon. This will mean a lot to me. Thank you.